At the end of January 2020, the total number of mobile voice subscriptions for all the telecommunication networks in the country, Airtel Tigo, Glo, MTN and Vodafone, was 41,380,751 according to the National Communications Authority, NCA. This represents a total penetration rate in the country of about 30 million people of 136.79%. For some stakeholders, the high level of mobile penetration represents an opportunity for effective dissemination of accurate information on the coronavirus for the Ghanaian public. So far, Ghana has recorded 7 cases of COVID-19. In an attempt to quicken the pace of information dissemination, the NCA has granted a waiver to all the mobile network operators in the country to send emergency communications from the Ghana Health Service on the coronavirus. The networks, on their part, have welcomed the arrangement. Here is the CEO of Ghana Chamber of Telecommunications, Kenneth Ashibe, further explaining how the arrangement will work and with other steps the Chamber is taking to help in the fight against the possible spread of the coronavirus.
We'll be getting daily messages that we then will be broadcasting to consumers. What this will mean is that it will mean unsolicited messages, but on just COVID-19 going to consumers. We are also looking into using our social media platforms to share videos and audios as well. But I'm sure we will get to a point, if we get to a point where we really need to escalate it, it might get to a point where messages might be broadcast. So that one, it will not be an SMS that you can say you want to read or not. It will be a notification that would pop on your phone. All of that will depend on how we go with the crisis. If we get particular levels, particular permissions will be given to the telcos by the Ministry of Communication and the regulator to be able to do that. We also are looking into other possibilities where, the issues of contact tracing and all of that. How do we use technology to be able to help them? This will be something that the Ghana Health Service will do, but we want to look at it and from the point of technology, what are the things that can be done? We're trying to learn from what some of the things that have happened in some of the markets that our members serve in, where they have had, advanced cases of this COVID-19, and see what we can learn from that. We're in touch with organizations like the GSMA as well, all to be able to do this. So we are working really in collaboration between, ourselves within the telecommunication space under the Ministry of Communication. So bringing the NCA in, bringing the Bureau of National Communication, bringing our members, with Glo, all of us, in working together in tandem to be able to support the Ghana Health Service, to support the Ministry of Health.
The NCA also added that it will be working with the mobile network operators and the National Emergency Communications Center to route all calls placed on the COVID-19 emergency numbers at no cost to the public through the existing emergency number 112. The public is therefore advised to refer all emergencies, including those related to COVID-19, to the National Emergency number 112.